Let's go for Samini. Let's go for Shatawali. See, Samini Shatawali, that chapter is so funny. Do you know what sometimes I imagine is Samini Shatawali were both in the same primary school? You know that thing they used to do when you get the answer correct, you must lash everybody in the class. And then Samini gets Shatawali. They just be saying, no, the two don't go. Open slow motion. No man slow motion. Then when the kid on Shatawali starts open, make tempo. Me man make tempo. Open the wall as me. Up over there you see Shatawali. I'm sure the one will be going to his seat. Pussy Samini, you are idiot fool. That's why they fuck like you. Pussy Samini. And then Samini look at him. You smoking the wrong marijuana. So cry everybody like 19. But let me tell you one thing. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. What is an industry, poor industry? Nobody's fighting. That's why come on, piss me off. Every day should we have sex? No, so we shut up. Let's fight. If you want to be a rapper, let me give you a cue. Make sure you declare yourself before people declare you. In Ghana, you force yourself for the people. What does Sarko do? When you came up, you're the best rapper. Become the fastest rapper today. Fastest rapper out there. Give me, fastest rapper. What do you hear? The next thing, Sarko is the fastest rapper. Yes. And what's wrong with Guru? What is he talking about? So people don't know to the tap. One guy was just listen to Guru. Charlie Black, the nigga in the chop asshole. I said, what do you mean? You say, no, my water, the taffy through, lick it through, fifi through, It's true. Which other rapper? And TikTok, oh man, TikTok was deceiving us way back in those days. Guys, Philomena said, I think I do rap. They start when they came out, you're like, I TikTok, but you sure like that. Hey, what was TikTok? It's like a hoo-ha. What kind of rap is that? Are you having stroke? Hey! And Samini, he's lucky. He doesn't really frolic with the United States. They will arrest him in these terrorist days. Because imagine Samini walking at the airport. Then a Ghanaian say, hey, Samini, what's up? Excuse me, sir. What is that unfamiliar sound you made? Oh, it's my tag name. Good. Look, you do one more time, we put you in jail, gentlemen. And R2Bs will be in prison easily in America. Because what does they do? Rat, Excuse me, where do you place the machine gun, please? But why does Payday? Why? For me, I think sometimes Payday takes us for granted. Because he always has an awesome entry into the song. Payday the problem. Welcome to my residence. Barack Obama, I'm your president. I had a pair of shoes, can you step in it? Then exit the song. What is it? What's that? And Mugi is always in the back doing half play. They say, Mugi come sing for a living. She hold me from the hand down. R2B is the laziest performance. It's true. Why? It's true. What does they do? Sing for the ladies. Sometimes you want your demand. Moogies are the man. The Moogies just be there like a robot. I demand, I didn't go crazy. That's all he does. Laziest performance. Which Which other one? Why you think I'm boy? Have you forgotten I slapped? Who else? Who else? Who? Here. You know, to which kind of Kumolo boy came that you know you should understand. When you see Eo with his hat suit and tie, you're like, oh, this guy is such a gentleman. Put a bullet top corner. God. Is there some way? Who? Joy P is that guy who was playing Mama Nida that way back. Like that guy who always pairs up with a girl. Sorry. I'm so sorry, I can't sing. Charlie, come on, say what we had. Hey, this girl, you never want to become. Charlie, come on, look at the papa.
Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, you just scatter my head. You they make me go insane. After this first round, girl, I go want to go again. Girl, you too fine with your Brazilian rishi otulaka try. Your lover do bishi on our wedding day. I will say I do, cause it's do I do. We will sing all true. Girl, you they scatter my head. You they make me go insane. After this first round, girl, I go want to go again. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do